Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series is on the line, and rumor says the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has 108 megapixel camera. Another reconfirmed by another tipster. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, rumored to unveil on August 5, will feature a 108 megapixel main camera, says popular tipster Ronald Quindet. This is not the first time we were hearing about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra packing a 108 megapixel camera, but Quintet says he's seen hard evidence of the presence of 108 megapixel main camera on the smartphone, and given his track record, the Note 20 Ultra will likely sport a 108 megapixel sensor. So as you can see on your screen, this is the Ronald Quintet tweet. He says Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, something he said Canvas 2 has 108 megapixel main camera. I know we knew, but I have seen hard evidence now, so consider it confirmed from my end. So he already confirmed it about the Note 20 Ultra. Alongside the Note 20 Ultra, Samsung is also expected to unveil the Note 20 in the first week of August, but it's unclear if they're going to be plus model, because we have seen the same model number SM986U being referred as the Note 20 Plus and Note 20 Ultra. Hopefully we have more clarity on how many model Samsung will launch in Note 20 lineup. A couple of weeks ago, we have heard that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus to have a 50x zoom, not 100x. And we also hear that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 to have a flat 60 Hz FHD plus screen. The other main specification of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20 lineup is 6.9-inch big screen and 108 megapixel camera with another camera on the backside, 50x hybrid zoom, and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 13 megapixel periscope telephoto camera which capable 50x zoom, and 8K video recording. But rumor says that the 24 fps Note, they confirm it about that, but let's see in upcoming days. And front facing is the single 40 megapixel camera with a video recording is 4K at 60 fps. The battery about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20 has 4500 mAh battery with a 45 volt. This is a rumors, and the Note 20 Ultra, maybe this one has a 5000 big mAh battery with a 50 watt, maybe in the fast charging in this lineup. So this is the rumor says all about. Let's see in upcoming days. And about the RAM, rumor says it has a 16 gigabytes of RAM, the Snapdragon 865 plus latest chipset from Samsung. So let's see in upcoming days. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.